Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Jovi Styles. So today we're just going to be doing a quick little video. I'm going to show you how to get this look. But before we do that, please subscribe. I see you watching. Just go ahead and subscribe. It'll be alright. Alright, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this video because I know you want to see how I created this bomb look. It's very much like sunset, Malibu Beach, South Beach type look, you know. Nice for the winter to just warm everything up and just give you a little sickening sit, if you will. Alright, so keep watching if you want to see this. Alright, so getting started with this look from Juvia's Place, we're going to use this color right here. And I'm going to use this with a fluffy brush. This is my Morphe M504. I'm going to get a good amount of that color. So now that we have that yellow blended through the crease, we're going to go ahead and move on to this beautiful orange tone here. And I'm going to use a smaller brush. I'm going to use my Morphe M441 to do this. Add a little bit more of that orange. I want it to be a little bit more intense. Then I'm going to take that brush that I used, the yellow, and just blend her out a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and use this red shade here. And we're going to apply this all over the lid, but then also into the inner crease, bringing it up to the crease. We're going to add just a little bit more. Alright, so now that we have our red on, I do want to go back with a brush that we used for the orange. And I want to kind of just give a little bit more of that orange back through there. I see the yellow and I see the red, but I feel like the orange got lost a little bit. So we're going to take a little bit of that with the brush that we used for it originally and just kind of blend through and kind of connect those colors. Softly though. Alright, so now that we went through it and just blended it out with a little bit of the orange, we're going to bring in our next color, which is going to be our purple. Yes, purple rain, purple rain. And we're going to use that on the outer corner. And then we're going to bring it kind of through the crease a little bit. Now I'm going to take just a clean blending brush and kind of blend that out through the crease. Alright, so once you have that on there, I want to add a little bit of color to the bottom lash line. To do that, I'm going to bring out a smaller brush and I'm going to use the purple. we're gonna fade into that red. Yeah, I really like that. Alright, and now I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade right here, and this is gonna be our nice lid shimmer tone that I want to bring in. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, honey. Oh, that's super cute. Like, I really like that. Okay. Alright, now for the Milk Mascara. You already know this is like my favorite go-to, like all the freaking time. Alright, so that is the eye look. For the lip, I don't know. I kind of want to throw on a purple gloss. Like, I think that'll be super cute. Alright, so for my gloss, I'm going to throw in the old school Urban Decay purple. I think this color was called Bittersweet. They do have a new purple lip gloss now. It's honestly really close in color, so you can do the newer version they have now, but this is the older one. I'm going to go ahead. I already have some clear gloss on. I'm just going to apply this on top. Yep, just like that. Alright, so we're rocking our sunsetty look just like that, simple and easy. I really enjoyed using the Juvia's Place palette. This is the Zulu. This is like, honestly, it's so pigmented, like it works so well. This is the second look I've created with it, and it was just a really easy, simple look. So I really advise you guys to go out and get it. I think it's only like $18 to $25. Like, it's not that much. Like, for a good palette with some good color choices, like, got that, y'all. Alright, well, this was a little quick video from Jovi Styles today. Please subscribe, like, share, tell your brother, your sister, your cousin, your auntie, your uncle, whoever. Jovi Styles is where it's at. And until next time.